Today I'm going to show you how to make apple cider. First, what you're going to do, and you also need one of these coffee things, apple cider cups, and I'll show you what those look like, a mug, and water. So, you're gonna fill up your cup. And then pour the water to however high you want it. Need just a smidgen more. There we go. You're just gonna put your cup under there. Open up your little apple cider box thing. Sounds kind of like Maraca. And you're going to wait until it drains and goes in here. If it's closed and you hear that noise, it's fine. Okay. You're going to close it. You're going to press brew. Then it's going to heat up the water. Yeah. Right now it's just heating up the water, and then it'll. And I don't know if you can hear it, but it's going. It's just brewing the water, or it's heating the water. I think it's about to. I use the Keurig, whatever it is, but you really just need these kind of cups right here with the powder stuff in there. I don't know, but here it goes. Oh, it smells good. It smells like apples. It looks weird, but this stuff is good. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, and then you just lift this up. Whew. It's going to be a little hot, so yeah. Yeah, and then it's fun to do this, so yeah, but yeah, that's how you do it. And then there's going to be like 2 holes. There's going to be another hole right there, see? Yeah. So that's how you make it. Thanks for watching. Bye.